Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another update on Zukul.com and my trading experience with the auto trading bot. In my previous video, I showed you how I merged one of my bot's lots, and in this video, I just want to give you an update of what's happening in the last couple of days. I think in the last video, I showed you that I've got all my bots on pause buying, so it can only sell, it's on sell only, because you can set the bot besides setting it on trading. You can pause the bot, you can release buy, or you can pause buy or pause selling. You can close the bot or terminate the bot. I've selected pause buy. If I click this, then it will release the buy, so then it will start operating again. But like I probably told you before, is I've seen a lot of negativity in the market, and if you just look at today, was a very bad day again. You can see on Bitstamp, this website is bitcointicker.co. I like this website. It's very easy to use, but you can see this is the last 24 hour. The Bitcoin has fallen another 8%. And if you look over the last month, it's gone down 21%. And in the last 3 months, they don't have 2 months, but you can see the last 2 months has gone down by even, I think it's 30%, from 9,800 to 6,100. So, where I got the info was on YouTube. I follow Tone Vase, and I also like to follow the chart guys. And otherwise, I also if you go to TradingView, tradingview.com, it's free to register there. And if you tick add there, or if you, I don't know, what did I trade? I put in TradeView, tradingview.com, and you enter in the ticker of what you are following, and then you get information from other people's ideas. BTC US dollar. Then let's go Bitstamp. Most of the exchanges work, or they run more or less the same. Because of arbitrage trading, they're very close to each other. They've got these technicals here, so it will give you a buy and a sell, but I don't think it's that accurate. But it gives you how many people think, 14 people think sell, only 2 says buy, and that's over 1 day period. So you can put 1 week, you can put in 1 month, but all the periods here, okay, 15 minutes or 1 month, they say, okay, maybe it's a buy. But, so at the moment, I'm not putting my bot on to purchase any new positions. Oh yes, the other thing is go to ideas, then cryptocurrencies, and you will find other guys' view of the market. But some of them say, okay, can go up or down, this person here, but you can just read his, but this Bortier 11, I've been following, he's been very accurate with his predictions. Just to get another viewpoint, and look at, then you can go into his, so he publishes his analysis of the Bitcoin market. And so you can see this is what he wrote on the 21st. It's the 22nd, so this was yesterday, and we were still at 6,760. But then you can click play here, and we'll show you how the market has reacted. So he predicted it will go down, but look, it went down much faster than even he predicted. And he's predicting it to go down to 5,300. Even Jeremy Rush said on Monday's hangout that he predicts it can go to 3,000 or 4,000. So, but the thing is, it can take months to reach that. So just be wary when you set up your bot. Now is a better time than yesterday or the week before to set up your bot, because you're starting off at much lower prices. So if the prices fall even more today, your bot will start buying positions, and then I'll just show you here. So if you set up your bot now, or if you set it up today, it will buy all these. It will start buying all your lots up as it goes down. So if you believe the price will go up again, or if the price goes up in the next day or so, it will sell all these positions when it bought here all the way down, and then you'll make a profit, because the Zukul bot will only sell at a profit. I've got a lot of positions here from May, so some of it is in heavy negative territory. But what I decided to do is I did sell some of my positions last week, and I've got a lot of cash now available, because I can go up to 3,000, and I've allocated already 1,656 to these bots, but I've got another 1,450 or 1,350. I can either create new bots or add more lots to these bots. So I'm basically waiting for the market to stabilize before I release the buy on my bots. So yeah, so I just wanted to especially the new people that want to start now, or think that the price is a good price now. Obviously, the price is already at a much lower price than it was in the beginning of the year, or 2 months ago when it was almost 10,000. So you're getting it at a 40% discount, or you're starting a bot at 40% discount prices. But what if it falls to 5,000 or 4,000? So it depends what your strategy will be. If you start your bot now and it falls from 6,000 to 5,000, which is not that big drop, it's about 15%, but it gives your bot opportunity to start buying all those positions up. And if we go up again, like this board here is predicting, he says we'll go down to 5,000 all the way to 6,000. So your bot might buy all the way down here, use up all your lots, and then start selling them as they go into profit on the way here. But remember, this is over a long period. This could be weeks. But anyway, you've got to do your own homework, obviously, as well. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing what I'm doing. And I'm just recording my process with the Zukul bot. But yeah, so in the meantime, this whole week I haven't made any money with my Zukul bot. At present, I'm in negative territory because of the down market or the bear market that we're in, because we cannot short Bitcoin. So we can only make money when the price goes up. But in the meantime, Zukul's got the affiliate system as well. So there is opportunity to recruit people, and they don't have to use the bot. They can use the bot when they feel like, or when they're ready, and they can already start profiting. I've already made 0.0039 Bitcoin from my affiliate earnings. You can earn as an affiliate, you can earn in the funnel, and you can earn 50% matching bonus from the people you refer directly. And at the moment, because it's still in pre-launch, I'm getting a lot of spillover at the moment, which is good. And obviously, if you join me, you'll also get spillover. But okay, it's not for sure. But I'm just saying, as soon as we go in launch mode and Jeremy starts advertising Zukul much more, and everybody goes in high drive, then I think the company funnel will fill up quickly, and you'll benefit from that, from spillover or possible spillover. So yes, so that's my Friday update on my Zukul bot. So it doesn't look well. I just noticed now the price is falling again, even more. We're 6,100. It's just crazy how the opposite of what the market was last year, what it is this year. This is another low. I think it's a 6-month low. This must be a 6 month low now. Okay, the 6 months chart. Yeah, this is a 6-month chart. We're on a 6-month low now. On Bitstamp, we're 24-hour low, so it's a new low on Bitstamp now as well. So yeah, no, that's terrible. But if you believe in Bitcoin like me and cryptocurrencies, I'm 100% it will recover, but how long it will take, we don't know. We need to follow the gurus on YouTube and TradingView to see that. But as soon as this market is stabilized and it starts making the usual up and downs, then the Zukul bot will operate at its best, and that's when I'm going to put my Zukul bot on again to capitalize on those up and down movements, to buy and sell my lots. So yes, thank you very much for watching. I hope you could learn something from the Zukul bot today. Like I said, I'm on pause now, but nothing stops you from joining so long. You can get started with only $10 a month, and then it will allow you to trade up to $300. I think it's one of the cheapest bots on the internet, and the most easiest to use, and the only true auto trading robot, because you just set it up once and then you leave it. There's not 110 different settings you need to tell the bot what to do. So if this video was any good to you or any helpful, please give us a thumbs up. If not, you can give us a thumbs down. It will help me make better videos. And if you want to follow my progress on Zukul before joining, please hit the subscribe button and the bell alert so you get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.